In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rectangles on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, using rectangles can be a powerful way to emphasize specific areas on your charts, perfect for identifying trends or potential trading zones. So let's walk through this step-by-step process to help you better manage your trading strategies. First, let's start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once you've launched the application, you'll want to select the chart that you wish to analyze. This could be any currency pair or asset you're currently following. Taking a moment to ensure you've selected the right chart can make a huge difference in your analysis. With your chosen chart in view, direct your attention to the top of the screen and point your cursor to the menu bar. Here, you're going to click on Insert. This menu is essential as it houses a variety of tools and options you may frequently use for chart annotations and analysis. After clicking Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu. Move your cursor to hover over Objects, and from the further extensions, select Shapes and finally, Rectangle. This sequence of actions is crucial as it allows you access to the specific tool you need, all while maintaining the focus on your chart. Once you've selected Rectangle, it's time to add this shape onto your chart. Click directly on the chart to mark where you want your rectangle to start. This starting point is one of the corners of the area you're aiming to highlight, so choose this position carefully. Now comes the interactive part. Hold down your mouse button and drag it to form the rectangle. You will see the shape expand as you move your cursor. Continue dragging to the opposite corner of the area you're targeting for emphasis. This allows you to showcase exactly what areas or trends are catching your interest, which, in the grand scheme of trading, could provide valuable insights into your decision-making processes. Once you're satisfied with the size and position of the rectangle, release your mouse button. You will find that a rectangle instantly appears on your chart, highlighting the exact area you've selected. Adjusting this rectangle later on is also a simple task, allowing for flexibility in how you choose to present and analyze the data. And there you have it. You've successfully added a rectangle to your MetaTrader 5 chart. By following these steps, you can enhance your trading analysis and better visualize potential opportunities